Tasty letters. Tilt the tablet from side to side to make the letter move. Jelly loves the letter J. J. J is for jelly. Ice cream loves the letter I. I. I is for ice cream. Hamburger loves the letter H. H. Donut loves the letter D. D. D is for donut.